look at her pretty glasses and her pretty makeup and her pretty long hair and her pretty clothes and her pretty boots, and it's so adorable. So today we are going to be opening LOL dolls like Tingo, and she's saying unbox me, so Stella's gonna open hers first. Let me see this is. Okay, good idea. The bottle. The bottle. Wow. Wow. Here she is. Here she is. You love her, right, Stella? Her name is Funky QT. Name is Funky QT. Wow. There. And she couldn't even miss. She cries. Hello guys. I present you Funky QT. Guys, look at her beautiful costume. I mean, it's so glittery, and then look at her glittery boots, and then look at her long, beautiful blonde hair, and then look at her star glasses, and look at her beautiful lipstick, and her glittery shirt with her badge.